Hey, it's Alison, and today I'm going to answer a question that I get asked on the regular. What is your favorite pair of jeans? I'm going to tell you my favorite pair and also how to figure out which pair works best for you coming up. Okay, so I've been doing Get Your Pretty On for 6 years now, and I started to see patterns over time of repeated questions. And one I've been getting a lot more of lately is, what is your favorite brand or pair of jeans? All right, so I'm going to answer that, but I've got to give you a caveat on this. First off, the pair of jeans that work really, really well for me and my body type may not work well for yours. So I always hesitate to say, go out and buy this brand of jeans or go out and try this store, because it's just not going to work for everyone. I'm a pear shape, which means I have a smaller waist and wider hips. And it's really, really hard to find jeans that don't gap on me, because if they fit my hips, they usually don't fit my waist and I have to end up wearing a belt with them. So that's not ideal. But I have shopped and shopped and shopped, and over time have been able to find a few brands that work really, really well for my body type and don't require me to wear a belt with them to hold them up, which is awesome. So what are those brands, you ask? That's what I'm here to tell you. All right, so my first favorite store to shop at for jeans is j.crew Factory. I just discovered about 2 years ago that their jeans fit me really, really well. And their high-waisted jeans especially, because they have a little bit of stretch in them and they fit my waist. So I've been extremely happy with them. The quality's great. They hold up wash after wash. Almost every pair of jeans that I wear on the regular are from j.crew Factory. Now, I used to love Loft jeans too, but I can't really speak to recent experience with them. I have a pair in my closet right now of white Loft jeans that I absolutely love, that are one of my favorites, but they're like 4 years old. So having not been in store lately or tried any of their jeans, I can't speak to the quality or the fit. I know that a lot of times stores like that tend to switch up their fit over years, so I can't speak to that, but I do know that Loft jeans used to work really, really well for me. And the third kind of jeans or brand of jeans that works really well for my body type is Paige. All right, so Paige denim is a little bit more on the expensive end. If you're looking for a more premium denim that's a bit more of an investment, I can tell you that it's totally worth it. I have a few pairs of Paige jeans and they have consistently been my favorites. They don't stretch out, they hold their color well, and they hold up wash after wash. So totally worth the investment on a cost per wear basis. So those are the pairs that work best for me. But now we're going to address you, because that's why you're here, right? Okay, so my biggest piece of advice for you is, if you're starting from scratch and you don't know what jeans are going to fit you well, or maybe you've just gone through some kind of transition and you're trying to figure out what works great for your body and where you're at right now, I always tell women you can't go wrong by walking into Nordstrom, because they have so many brands that you can try all at one time. And not just Nordstrom, there are other department stores too that carry a lot of brands of denim. But I think of Nordstrom in particular because I think they do a really good job of carrying a lot of different brands, a lot of different price points. And you can take 25 pairs into the fitting room at one time, try them all on, and find a pair that you love and that works for you. So another thing that I love about Nordstrom is that you can order 25 pairs of jeans and have them delivered to your house and try them on at home and send them all back, because they do free shipping, or you can take them back to the store and get your return done there. But I love this flexibility of trying on things at home. I do it more often than not now. Almost all of my shopping is done online. I rarely go out into stores unless I'm doing some trend spotting for a style challenge. But other than that, I enjoy just really being able to get clothing items sent to my home and try them on here. I know that Amazon also offers a similar service to Prime members where you can try on items at home. I've never bought jeans off Amazon. Not saying it's not a good place to look for them, because I honestly don't know, but that's something that you may want to check out as well. When you do find that perfect pair of jeans, and I promise you, you will, it's like Cinderella's slipper. You just got to try on enough pairs. Do not give up. Read the reviews. You know, go online and try to find women with similar measurements as you. I know a lot of companies allow you to put that in the comments now on your reviews. You can put in your height and weight and give as much detail as possible. And I find that really, really helpful whenever I'm shopping for clothing online, and especially for jeans. But when you find the right pair, be sure to buy more than one pair, because you're going to want them in multiple washes, or buy several pairs in the same wash if they fit you really, really great. And then you're not going to have to do laundry as often, which I think is a total bonus. And lastly, if you want even more support in your jeans finding journey, I would highly recommend that you join the Get Your Pretty On Pretties group on Facebook. It's a free group. It's private. It's for my community. And the women in there are so helpful, so supportive, and we're constantly giving advice to each other on fit and on jeans that work well for our body types. And we literally have every body type imaginable represented in our group. So you will find someone in there who is similar to you in body type and who will be able to give you recommendations. All right, that's it for today, but I have an assignment for you. I want you to put in the comments below what your favorite jeans brand is. And if you feel comfortable, you can also leave your measurements there as well, because that's really gonna help out the women that are watching this video. So please do me a favor and leave your favorite jeans brand comment on this video, and also share the love and subscribe to my YouTube channel.